Hello everyone. Today I'll be using this voice and show you how to make galaxy hair and costume cloths on Ibis Paint. Like these. Anyways, let's get started. I hope you enjoy. First, go to Google and search up galaxy. Then go to images and pick a pictures. Then take a screenshot. When you did that, then go to Gacha Life Club and make a character. Make sure that the hair is only one color. I'd recommend using the color gray. When you are happy with your character, then go to Studio. Next, make the background one solid color. After that, go to Ibis Paint and import your picture to the size you want. But make sure you can still see the hair. Then click on Magic Wand and tap inside of your character's hair. When you did that, import your galaxy picture and tap on the tick button. And there is your final result. Do the same thing like we did with the hair. Go to Google and search up materials of any kind. Go to images and take a screenshot. After that, go to Gacha Life Club and make a character with the outfit you want. But make sure that it is gray. Next, go to Ibis Paint and import your character. Then click on Magic Wand and tap inside of your outfit. When you did that, import your material and tap on the tick button. If you enjoyed this video, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to this channel for more. If you want a shout out, then write in the comments #Tropicool. Thank you for watching. Bye Tropicool Squad.